Hey guys, just going to do a quick little video on everything that's been going on from the past couple of weeks. And weather has kind of put me behind, so probably going to be on standstill for a little bit and just focus on plowing. Thanks. I got all the leaves blown off. Dave actually got stuck where there were some wheel ruts up there, and it got down to the clay. So I don't know if I said this already, but it's 300 from this point where we stopped. It's 360 feet up to the building site. It's been about a year and a half since I've been here. This ditch is holding up, but the customer is aware that over time it will get undermined. And, I gave her a quote, the riprap and all that stuff, but she wants to wait. So we'll wait on that. So I got 7 more loads coming in today, and we'll see how far he can get up next time. Good morning. It's cold enough to haul today, so Dave's going to be here with the single axle here in a little bit. And we got that pile to move, this pile and that pile, so the plan is to dump it over this hillside and blade it off accordingly. It's just too far of a push for my dozer, especially because it's been really wet, but we got good frozen weather, and we're ready to haul all day. So probably got 100 something, maybe 100 truckloads sitting here, and then we'll be down to the last cut, which goes flatten out towards the pond, maybe about 30 more feet. So we'll see where we get to by the end of the day. So during this event, I think we got around 10 inches of snow. I ended up plowing for 35 hours, or on site for 35 hours. I slept about 4 of those hours in the truck. This is abnormal for Louisville, but why you have to continuously plow like that is this is a Kroger shopping center, so the lanes have to stay clear. They're still going to open. People need to get their medicine and all other sorts of things.